Hello, I'm Penny Megginson, and welcome to the Megginson Method Healthy Eating Program. This is based on the most evolved research that now shows that we're all individuals with how our bodies react to food and exercise. And so we're going to begin with a 1-month elimination program where we're going to take out gluten, dairy, caffeine, alcohol, and sugar. Now, there's different reasons why we're doing this for different substances. I'll start with the gluten and dairy. Now, it's true that many people are fine with gluten and dairy, but there is research that shows that many of us find it irritating to the body, and it leads to things like autoimmune disease, which a lot of people may have and not know it. So a lot of symptoms that you take for granted that you think have always been normal for you are actually being irritated by having too much gluten or dairy in your diet. And when you eliminate those, you'll find that those symptoms go away. So for an entire month, we're going to stay away from anything containing gluten or dairy. And then sugar, caffeine, and alcohol we'll also eliminate for that month. And the reason being that we want to reset our tolerance level to these items. And so this is something that's really healthy to do several times a year. So you're going to find that after 1 month of having no sugar, no alcohol, and no caffeine, that you actually can't go back to those items at all for several weeks to several months before you eventually will start to get back into your bad habits or not. And if you do this once or twice a year, you'll find that over the course of a year, you're having significantly less sugar, less caffeine, and less alcohol in your diet. And now all of these create inflammation in the body, which we know leads to things such as cancer and heart disease. And so we're trying to eliminate them as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends, hit that like button, and don't forget to comment below. I love hearing about your results. To receive more strategies on better balance of mind, health, and fitness, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.